Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, welcome to All Things Burn. I appreciate you clicking on this video and checking this channel out. If you are a current subscriber, thank you so much for coming back by. I hope you're doing well, I hope your families are doing well, and I hope you're living your best blessed life, you all. I have a different kind of video today, you all. The good people at Prettycare Cordless vacuum cleaner reached out to me, wanted to send me their product, wanted me to try it out and unbox it and everything and let you guys see it, and maybe you might want to pick one up. So I have not opened it yet, you all. It is still in the box, sealed up. So we're gonna get it open. I'm gonna let you guys see what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys how it works. This is my first time using it, and yeah, I don't have a cordless vacuum cleaner, y'all. I have two vacuum cleaners. I have a Shark rotator and I have a Hoover wind tunnel. So yeah, so to have a cordless vac to use in the car. Oh, and I have a wet vac as well. Yeah, but to have a cordless vacuum cleaner to use for my car and like small spaces, but I'm thinking that you can use this in a big space too. But we're going to see, y'all. We are going to see. I hope everybody's families are doing fantastic. I hope you all had a wonderful, wonderful Mother's Day weekend. Mine was fabulous. So we're trying to get in this box, you all. Trying to get it open for you all so we can get in here and see what is in this. Ooh, nice. Oh, nice. Check out all the, look, all the wrapping, y'all. Put it on. Just put it on the floor until I get done. Okay, y'all, so this is the vacuum cleaner, and we're gonna get it open. That was all that was in there, was this and that plastic wrap, but we're gonna get it open and see. It's an it says Prettycare H1 cordless vacuum cleaner. So let me get this tape off, and we're gonna see how this works together, you all. Let me see. So I don't know if I showed you guys. Let me show you all the name in case you are wondering what type of vacuum cleaner it is. And this is the front of the box, Prettycare, and then that is what it looks like right here. And it's an H1 cordless vacuum cleaner. And this is the back. So it has a LED display, a charging dock, a long-lasting battery, 120 W brushless digital motor, high efficiency filter systems, and a one-click dust emptying. Nice. Okay, we're gonna check it out. We are going to check it out. And let's see if I can get this tape off. Okay. Okay. We are opening it, and this is how it's packaged. So I just have to slide it out. Put those scissors to the side. Let me slide it out. I don't want anything to fall, so let me see. Okay, I took everything out of the box, and this is how it looks coming out of the box. I don't know what this is yet because I'm just now opening it, but I don't know what this is, y'all. Let's see. Oh, I'm thinking maybe it attaches to something in here. We're gonna figure it out. Okay, so when I took the little cardboard off the top, it came with these two things. An instruction manual and this little card right here, which just tells you like all of their social media places that you can reach them and find them. So, and then this is how it looks, and we're gonna try to put this together, y'all. Like I said, this is an unboxing. Oh, this is beautiful, and it's my favorite color too. Teal. What? Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, I've never had one of these before, y'all. So let me see. Does that fit right there? No, that doesn't fit right there. Okay. Taking out all these little attachments. That's another attachment. Here is the plug to charge it up. And this is another attachment. Yeah, this is another attachment with a little brush. So how many attachments was that so far? So far I have 3 attachments. I'm not sure what this is yet, but we will figure it out, you all. This looks like a filter. This is an extra, I think this is an extra filter. Maybe? I think that goes in there somewhere, y'all. But we're going to see, what is this? Y'all, I'm looking at it like you all are looking at it. Okay. So I guess the dirt and stuff, once you finish vacuuming, goes in here, and you just push this little button and it drops down, and then all the dirt will just drop in the garbage can. That is neat. That is neat. So you have a lock and you have an unlock. So that's unlock. Okay. So we pull it down, y'all. So there is a filter in there. So that's an extra filter. There is a filter in there. So I don't have to put one in there. And you would put the filter back on like that. And then you would just lock it. It has a lock and unlock right there. So that's what that is. And we're going to figure out what the rest of it is, y'all. And so this is just a little brush. So actually, y'all, I honestly thought that that you can use this on the floor. But I mean, I guess you still can. Let me look at this box. I mean, I guess you still can, because they're showing this one. They're showing this one down here on the bottom, but I still don't know what this is for, y'all. Unless it's to hold the attachments, maybe. Oh yes, that's what it's for, to hold the attachments. Let me see. I'm assuming, at least that's what it looks like. Maybe to hold the attachments. I don't know. Let's look at this manual right quick, y'all, and see what that little piece is for. Without doing a whole lot of reading, I just want to see what that little piece is for. And if it shows it in this book, doesn't it? Oh, so it's a charging based. Okay, so it's a charging base. I got it now. So the front part of this vacuum cleaner goes down in here, you all, like that. And I guess you can hold the attachments on this side, but it's suction, so wherever you put it, it can suction to wherever you're putting it. So that's pretty good. Now let's put this attachment on here. We're going to use this one. We're going to use that one. Take it out of the charging station. And I guess you just use it like this, y'all. Let's see. I'm unboxing it, y'all, so I don't know anything about this vacuum cleaner, y'all. I'm unboxing it and reviewing it, and yes, okay, so I see. Okay, so we're going to demonstrate this, y'all. So give me 1 second. Oh, well, while I have it on, it's already charged, and it has like different settings. Wow, I can feel the air. I can feel the air from this thing, y'all. So it has 2 settings, low and then high. Ooh, good suction. Okay, and then you turn it off right here. Interesting, it blew all my curls away, but that's okay. So we're going to demonstrate this, you all. So give me 1 second while I position this camera somewhere else so we can go demonstrate this. Okay, you guys, we're actually going to vacuum out my seat that I'm sitting on, because as you see, it has like dust and stuff on it, and probably lint from my clothes, different outfits I'm wearing. So we're going to see how well it works. As you see, I have a bunch of dust right here and on the seat, and so we're gonna give it a try. I think I have it on low right now. I have it on low right now, so. Ooh. Oh my gosh. This is working. Wow. Oh my gosh. Now for me to get down here and these little things like that, I'm gonna have to switch. Oh my god, let me put it on high. Let's see. Oh my god, listen. Oh my gosh. This is really good. Let me switch the attachment, and let's see if we can get down in here, you all. So let's see, and put it on high. Oh my god! Oh my god! This is awesome! Oh my god, this is gonna be great for your car, y'all. Also, like little small areas that you need to do. Oh my goodness, they got every single piece of dust out of my chair. And like when I'm opening up packages, little dust particles from boxes and different things like that. Oh my god, that is amazing. There's nothing on my chair, y'all. It is so nice and clean. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna come. I hit it by accident. So I'm gonna position the camera back over here, you all, and I'm gonna finish this video. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this, y'all. Okay, you all, I'm back in my nice clean seat. Y'all, this vacuum cleaner is really, really good. Let me see, do I have any? I don't really have too much dust in here, just a teeny tiny bit, y'all. But I'll open it up so you can actually see it. I don't want it to drop all over the place. But I have just a little bit. See, that's what was on my chair. Like lint from a sweater and dust from boxes I'm opening and stuff like that. But it's not totally full, but that's what it captured, y'all. So, wow, I am totally impressed with this Prettycare Cordless vacuum cleaner. And like I said, it comes with 3 attachments. So you have the long, skinny one that can get in, like deep down in corners or in cushions or especially in your car, like on the sides of your car where sometimes French fries fall down, stuff like that. And if you have like spider web or cobwebs in a corner that you're trying to get, you can probably, if you're tall enough, or you might have to stand on a stool or something like that, you can get it out with this. Oh my gosh, I'm impressed. I am so impressed, y'all. I am so impressed. This thing is really nice, and it's not heavy, but it's not really light either. It has some weight to it, which is good because I like that, which makes me feel like the vacuum cleaner is made really well, and it's going to do a good job when it's heavy like this. Not like heavy, but you know, it has a little weight, but not too weighted that you can't hold it in one hand, or like twist and turn and bend and hold, you know. This is nice, y'all. So I want to thank the people at Prettycare Cordless Vacuum Cleaner for reaching out to me, for sponsoring this video. This is a collaboration with them. This is gorgeous. And I don't know why I was expecting a red one, because I don't know why I was expecting a red one, but I was expecting a red one. But I'm so happy that I got the teal one, because teal is my favorite color. Now, I don't know if it comes in multiple colors, but I've gone on their website and looked around a little bit, and I've seen different colors and different variations of the cordless vac. You have the one that you can actually do the floor with, and you know, yeah, oh my God, this is so nice. This is so nice. So I'm not sure if I will keep it in my car. I can keep it in my car if I charge it up and then just take it in my car, you know, just in case. Or if I'm doing a road trip and we're stopping off eating at places, this is good to have. I can charge it up in the hotel, right? Or charge it up before I leave. And I don't know how long the battery life is. That's something that you all probably can, you know, do some research on. I don't know how long the battery life is, because like I said, I'm just unboxing it now and using it and demonstrating it, and I am so happy about this vacuum cleaner. Oh my gosh, this is really nice. So thank you to the wonderful people at Prettycare Cordless Vacuum Cleaner for sending me this beautiful vacuum cleaner. I love it. I'll be using it often. And so if you want to get one of these Prettycare vacuum cleaners, go to their website. I'm going to link all their information in my description box below. I may even have a discount code for you all. So go check it out. You will not be disappointed. When I tell you this little thing comes in handy, oh my gosh, without bringing out that big old vacuum cleaner, just to do something small, yeah, this is it right here. This is it. So thank you all for watching this video. I appreciate you all. Go and do what you like to do. Go have a great day. Continue to enjoy the rest of your morning, evening, afternoon, whatever time it is that you're watching this video, midnight, early morning, whatever time it is that you're watching this video. I just appreciate you stopping by, clicking on it, checking it out. Go to Prettycare Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Go and check them out. I don't think you'll be disappointed at all, you all. I don't think you will be disappointed at all. So thank you all once again. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, you all. Love y'all.